What's up, my people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Feel at home. Enjoy your stay. My channel members, my supporters, I love you all. Thank you so much. Private and silent viewers, big up yourself. As you can see by the title, I am making green plantain salad. My way, my version, my style. Here I have two green plantains. They halfway turn or getting there to ripe. They're not 100% green, but yes, it work. I have them, I peel them here. As you can see them, easy to peel because them start to ripe somehow. So now I have them peel, I'm gonna cut them up. All right. So guys, this plantain salad is my recipe. I created this one, another one of my recipe. So here I'm cutting my plantains. Each piece I have there, I cut it in 4. And yes, I'm gonna be washing them and put them to boil. So I'm just rinsing them off right here. Yes, I already have the water on the fire boiling and I'm adding some salt to it. So now it's time to put the plantain in. In your kitchen, you do your own thing. You know, cook where you please. And that's what I do. I'm cooking in my kitchen. So I cook what I eat and what my family eats. Okay? And I'm sharing it with you guys. Yes, if you try it and like it, come back and tell me. If you don't like it, come back and tell me too. Yes, the plantain is already cooked. And it's time to make the salad. Here I have my celery, my cilantro, my scallion, my pepper, that's bell pepper, and some baby tomatoes. And here I have my cream cheese and sour cream. So I'm adding some cream cheese to the bowl, and now I'm adding some sour cream. Here I have all my peppers already cut up along with the celery, some carrots, some cilantro, scallion. I did not cut up the tomato. So I'm adding some olive oil to the cream cheese and sour cream, and I'm just gonna mix this in and stir it out. I'm adding some garlic powder to this. Yes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Get a little kick. Here I have my plantain already cooked. So now I'm adding my sauce to that. So that's the cream cheese and the sour cream. So now I'm adding my cilantro. And now I'm adding the carrots, shredded carrots. I'm adding the scallion. Some yellow bell pepper and some red bell pepper. Just mix this in a little and stir it out. I'm adding some parsley flakes. And now I'm adding some more cayenne pepper. So just mix it up. Look at my plantain salad, guys. I'm adding some cherry tomatoes to that. And here I have a plate. I'm making a spinach bed. So I'm using some baby spinach to make a spinach bed so I can lay my salad on. Yes, guys. So now I'm sharing out some of my salad on the spinach. Look at it. And there you have it, my lovely people. My plantain salad is ready. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.